There you go. We got the vertical stream popping. Papa Bear, good morning. Fred, what up, what up? Morning, friend. Friend to Fred. Friend to Fred. Friend to friend. And I gotta put, I really need to work on that, like, preview screen so that, like, you guys can't see what I'm doing and I'm on, like, and I'm just in the background. Ay. I hear you guys talking in the Discord. I just focused on trying to get live, so. Oh man, Fred beat me. Lo-fi escape, bro. I love lo-fi. Unemployment claims hit in 8 minutes. Oh, thank you, Dylan. Y'all chatting up, trying to keep up with you guys. You guys are chatting it up this morning. Dang. Oh, you're you're a lo-fi guy too? I'm trying this new lo-fi no copyright stream. Even the ones that say there's no copyright, I still get copyright strikes. So a lot of the stuff got the last few streams have been copyright strikes. So I'm revenue sharing with them. Yeah. Lo-fi escape, no judge ever, bro. Yeah, like Fred said, no judgment. We got a judgment-free zone here, okay? All right, so what was he talking about? Oh my gosh, jobless claims, y'all. Jobless claims. About to drop. 1 minute. Well, let's take a look here. I got my 4th Express account, so now we have 4 Express accounts with TopStep. I traded one of the Express last night. We got $437, and now we have this new Express account that I potentially will trade. Let's take a look at the charts here. Let's take a look at the charts. MNQ. All right, MNQ is in this 1 hour demand currently, as we see it. There's another 1 hour demand that I'll be watching here. Or sorry, supply. We already tapped that 1 hour demand. I'll probably watch this 1 hour demand down here. And for the sake of making sure I'm keeping up, this is another 1 hour demand. But it's already been used, so I'm not going to pay attention to that. Okay. Those are our levels on NQ. It's about to drop, guys. It's about to drop. Let's see what happens. Pachow. Jobless claims dropped. Sweatro, good morning. Dylan makes it. Yes, Dylan is a man of many hats. You'll find out that he does a lot of things. And Fred, I thought they've always used. I thought Apple's always had Final Cut Pro. Sweatro, doing good, doing good. Appreciate you asking. How are you doing? All right, so we're in this 1 hour supply, right? We're in this 1 hour supply. I know it's a little bit of a rush, but listen, if we break, we're on this 5 minute, we close below this low right here, I will look to short it in this 1 hour supply. So we need to break this low. And I'll look to take a stab. I'll probably size down because news just dropped. Gold looks interesting. Tapping in this 1 hour demand right now. I might open up one more combine so I can just trade the combine. We got 2 minutes left on this. Walter Voldemort, I heard he feeds on unicorns. What in the world are you guys talking about? It's a bundle for now, $12.99 a month, comes with a lot. If it's Final Cut, shoot, I already paid for Final Cut, but maybe if it comes for more, then I'm down to use it. What's the name of the channel? Let me add one sub for you. Sweatro, good man, thanks. Sweatro, you're already short NQ. Nice, man. You're more aggressive than I am. I'm gonna be patient for a close below this for me to feel comfortable taking it short. Gold is taking a dump. Taking a nice little dump here. I shouldn't say gold is taking a dump. Taking a nice little dump doesn't sound very good. Angelo, what's up, man? Good afternoon, Sensei. Don't call me Sensei, please. Please don't call me Sensei. Afternoon. Where are you at, man? It's 6:33 a.m. for me. Afternoon for you. Are you in like Europe somewhere? All right, so NQ didn't do the close below the low, so shorts are not in play. Now we're focusing on the new 1 hour candle or 1 hour supply, which is right over Chia. And that's that. Spain, see? Spain. That's awesome, man. That's too cool. Sweatro, how long have you been trading for? I have been trading since 2019, essentially, like really trading since 2020, since when COVID hit. All right, so here's the trend line. I really like this trend line on the 5-minute. Gold is dumping. Gold is pooping. Papa Bear. Yeah. Gold is having a lot of bowel movements. So it's in a 1-hour demand currently. But I am definitely more focused on NQ now that we have this very long trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points essentially going into a 1-hour supply. I would like to see a reversal. So we're going to be patient with NQ. We're going to wait for the break of structure. Trendline break is just added confluence. And hopefully we get a setup within NQ. I feel a little rushed this morning, so I'm gonna just take my fingers off the trigger and make sure I get myself situated. We got all the news, pretty much all red folder news has been released, which is great. I'm gonna pop over to gold so we can take a look at gold together. What concepts do you use? I use supply and demand with market structure. Supply and demand and market structure. Pretty much it, my friend. What kind of strategy do you use, or what concepts like S&R, S&D, ICT, supply and demand, and market structure? ICT, you know, ICT's ICT. It's all the same thing, guys. We all you can skin a cat 1,000 ways, right? It's the same thing with trading. We can call it market structure, change of structure, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing. What's not the same is the amount of likes that we have on the stream right now. That should not be the same. Can we get the likes up on the stream, guys? Come on, let's get it. Let's pop it. Let's pop the stream. Let's pop off. Sound ghetto. Let's go. Let's get the stream popping off today. So we're in this 1-hour demand on gold. I like that we're in this 1-hour demand. Is there opportunity for longs here, like a very short scalp up into supply before it actually drops? Possibly. But for us to enter long, we would want to wait for some sort of clear entry or clear break of structure or change of structure. You can take an aggressive entry here in this 5-minute demand, a very risky aggressive entry here. It might play out, might not. I don't know, but I'm gonna stay away from it. But yeah, this is. This is a very high risk setup just to take an entry in the demand, but it might play out. I'm not going to take that. Maybe if I open up another, oh my gosh, I'm going to open up one more TopStep eval. Come on, TopStep, give me a free reset because I've spent so much with you guys. Can I reset this old one? Come on, TopStep. Come on, be good to me. Dang, you gonna make me pay, bro? You gonna make me pay, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Do you journal, take partials, know your win rate? I know I'm asking a lot of questions, but I'm collecting a lot of streamers and their psychology. Yeah, I do. I used to journal. I don't journal anymore. I don't take partials. Do you know your win rate? Yeah, it's about 40% right now. I know I'm asking a lot of questions. Hopefully I answer all those questions correctly. No activation fee, $89. Bada bing, bada boom. Visa. Slap it on the Visa. That's what they say nowadays. Just hit me on the Visa, bruh. I agree. All right, I can only have 5 accounts with TopStep, so this is my last evaluation with them that I can open up. No flex zone. No flex zone. Hold up, man. Where's my evaluation? Oh, here it is. 50K combine, brand new. This is the last one. I cannot open up any more combines with them. Unfortunately. Fortunately, I cannot. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm trying to cancel this this old combine. Okay, it's not going to build me. All right, we're square. We're good. You catch up here. Gold is starting to look super sexy. All right, I like it. ICT. Oh. Possible pop on NQ in 25897. 25897. MNQ. I'm gonna set my alerts on gold here in this 5-minute demand to take a look, because I might take it on the express or on the combine for the sake of entertainment plus it being just a combine. 25897. Possible pop. You're looking for it to go long, right, Dylan? All right, here's 897. 25 zone is where I possibly looking for playouts. Playouts, that's a new word. What do you think about Apex? I saw that you can have 20 accounts. Apex is cool, and yes, that's the trap with Apex, is that you can get 20 PAs with them. But they have that 30% consistency rule, and that is just whack to me. Come on, man. 30% consistency, bro. What in the world? That sucks. Yeah, it's not something I want to play with. It's cool. I used to trade with them, but you know that trailing drawdown intraday, or it's an intraday trailing drawdown, and they want 30% consistency rate. Like, too many rules, bro. Too many rules for me. NQ has reached the supply zone. Yes. I'm watching it now. So Dylan 25919. I believe you're looking to go short somewhere, right? 919. If so, I mean we're looking at the same area for shorts. I just would like to see a break of structure. Ideally, you know, can't ask for everything, but I would like to see a break of structure with the trend line break to go on shorts. Thanks. Would like to talk a bit on your journey to become a trader and what obstacles you had and maybe still have, and have how you overcame them, and some more psychology. Yeah, you know, I would love to do that. You know, ask the questions, you know what I mean? Just ask the questions and I'll answer them as they come. But since I'm live, it's, you know, there's a lot of obstacles, there's a lot of this and that. But if you can be more specific with your questions, Sweetro, I'll be happy to answer them. All right, so I'm going to pull up volume profile indicator of the overnight session with NQ. On my trading view. Come on, bro. I guess it really doesn't even matter at this point. We bounced off of the value area high on NQ. So based on overnight session, we're expensive. Yes, would look for a reversal. Quite cool. All right, we're on the same page. Gold about to reach a previous double bottom. All right, I got my NQ charts pulled up, ready to go. I'm just going to trade the combine. Everybody's just the combine. I'm not going to trade any of the express accounts on this setup or on this trade. It might want to come down and sweep these lows. I don't know. We shall see. I'll take the break of the candle on the 1 minute. See if that works. Okay, guys. This is just a combine. I always have to make the disclaimer. I'm not taking any sort of setup. Very low confluences here. We just got a 1 hour demand and then a 5 minute demand within a 1 hour demand. We do have, you know, we did break all these highs on over here on the left. These lower highs. Right? Over here. We broke this, broke above it, and we rejected. So maybe we get a retracement, we bounce up, and if we do, I'm not looking for much, guys. I'm not looking for a crazy move up. So okay, NQ is rallying. And gold just keeps doing the gold thing. All right, there you go. There you go. We might see the flip here. Demo. Yep. I'm just taking this on an eval with TopStep. I'm not going to trade my funded accounts. And then my trade of 8. This is my trade of 8, guys, and it's still pending. The $3,000 is still pending. So we're waiting. All right, we are in NQ. Gonna risk $450 because it's just a combine, guys. It's just a combine. It's just a demo. Are you profitable? Yeah. I have a few payouts with TopStep. So, yes. Manny Vargas. Yo, Manny, what up, bro? What up? Okay, Gold, take care of us today. Don't stop us out too early. We want to see the trend line break and just dropped a new YouTube video for you guys of a payout on the lines of Are You Profitable? Check it out if you guys haven't done so. You don't even have to watch it. Just like it, please. That'd be so helpful if you could just like the new video. You know, mean a lot to me. What strategy do you trade? I trade supply and demand with market structure. I bought another combine About to have 5 expresses. I hope so. Espresso. Hey, if that's you in the Discord, what's up, Espresso? I hope so. We don't know. I'm only doing it because I don't want to take this on the Express accounts. You know what I mean? It's worth nothing if I keep opening up demo accounts or Express or Combines. You know what I mean? And I keep making all this money on Combines. I gotta trade the Express accounts, but I'm a bit wary. You know what I mean? I'm just taking it slow. It's not the worst setup in the world. You know, I don't think this is actually a bad setup. It's just too risky for me to take it on the funded account. Hey, we're almost at 10 likes. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so, would love to earn a like on the stream. And then don't forget to join the Discord. It's completely free. Charge you absolutely nothing to join such a fun community of people trading across the world. Okay, we're in, guys. We're in. We're still we're not in the clear. I took a trade last night on the Express account, the new Express account. So we're up $437 on that. We have the fresh account that I passed last night. So we have this new Express account. And then we have the original Express accounts. We're up $3,000 on each of those. So there's 2 of those. And I'm going to wait to take the trade on that for sure. And right now we're just trading the Combine to catch everybody up. The reason why the profits that I took from this Combine, the $3,000 that I took, instead of buying something that I want or putting in the bank account, I put it right into the Trade Evade account. I'm waiting for it to go in here because I don't want to rely on prop firms. I don't want to be reliant on prop firms anymore. I mean, yeah, I'm still going to trade them, but I don't want to rely on them. I want to have my own self-funded account. So I'm going to get payouts and I'm going to keep funding my own account with Trade Evade, self-funded, and go from there. You know what I mean? And eventually I'll have prop firms, you know, payouts every now and then, but really I want to have my own self-funded. If this 1 minute candle flips, we're going to add into the trade and we're going to lower our stop loss to the same equal amount. I need to start copy trading on TopStep instead of trading on one, to be honest. I feel you, man. Right now I don't even know exactly what I'm going to do since I trade. I don't want to copy trade all of them at once, even if I do get the 5th Combine. All right, so I added into the winning trade. Yes, this is gold. This is gold. I added into a winning trade because I used to be the guy that added to a losing trade, and averaging down is very risky, guys. Very, very risky. I'm training myself to add into a winning trade. The problem is sometimes when you add into a winning trade, not sometimes, but when you add into a winning trade, your stop loss or your average price raises, and your stop loss ends up being more if you keep it in the same spot. So I like to trail my stop loss, but that also puts you at risk that on some of these pullbacks you might get stopped out, and we've seen that how many times. But I'd rather that than be in the habit of adding into a loser and it just keeps going down and down and down, and then you're cooked. Let's look at the 5 minute candle. So this 5 minute candle is looking great so far. How many minutes left do we have on this 5 minute candle? There's 36 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. We're far away from the 13 EMA still. A high probability take profit would be right here. If we get there, it would be here. So I might consider just getting out here if we get there. But so far, we're not in the clear. And we got 9 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. So we need to see what happens here. All right, 5-minute candle closed. We're going to add 2 more to break this candle if we get there. And then do the same thing. Raise our stop loss to equal the same amount, which is around 300 bucks. Make it 400. And this is not a like legit setup with a breaker structure or whatnot. This is a little bit more of a hunch, guys, and I'm just trading a combine, an eval, a demo, whatever you want to call it, just to make sure everybody knows. All right, we're in danger here. Our stop is below this 5-minute candle. We're hoping that the 5-minute candle holds. I'll add in if it flips. If it doesn't, GG's. This is why I took it on the combine. If I did 5, yeah. Yeah, if I think you mean minis. Yeah, if I did minis, I would have hit the 1500 already. But that's too much gambling for me, bro. I ain't ready for that. I ain't ready for that. All right, we're cooked. We're cooked on that one. Nice shot. It might bounce off this trend line and push higher, but that's why we took it on the demo. That's why we took it on the demo. For now, the top of the hour is about to hit 7 o'clock. So let's let this play out and take a look at M and Q again. Okay, and Q showing signs of weakness. Dylan, are you in already on your shorts? If so, nice call out on your levels. And just so you guys know, Dylan is going to be, a strong part of the Discord. He'll have his own channel there, or section where he'll be able to post what he's doing. He's a profitable trader, someone I know personally. We've been friends for a while now, and yeah, he'll be a good voice of reason. And he came here last week and showed up in person, and we went over the charts because we never talked about our setups together. And it turns out we trade the same setup, but he just has different terminology he learned from other people. ICT. And I did not listen from ICT. So, I didn't learn from ICT. He learned from ICT. Sorry, Dylan. Well, he didn't learn from ICT directly. He learned from somebody that used ICT's concepts. But it doesn't really matter, guys. It's all the same thing. That's why it's really amazing to me that he's been trading a concept that's foreign to me, and I've been trading supply and demand with market structure shift, change, or whatever here on my side, and we've been trading the same setup. Don't take long yet. Wait for green doji candle. There's some resistance at the moment. Yeah, with gold, just took the shot. Oh man, don't. I'm gonna have to do it. Because I like how this 5-minute candle is about to close. So on the combine only, guys, combine only. Don't get mad at me. I already hear you guys yelling at me. It's just a combine. It's $97. I can lose $97. Thank God I'm not in a position where I need $97. I am blessed enough to not have to worry about that. And I know not everybody has that same situation. So just take this with a grain of salt. Just a combine. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna add in pretty hard here if we get there. MNQ. All right, on this Express account, I am going to look to short The last lower high or higher lows were all the way down here. We're just so far away from it. I might want to start developing an order. Let me borrow $97. I can't do that. But oh yeah, we're about to get cooked on this one. Order filled. All right, we got cooked on that gold long, which is all good. I wanted to take that stab on the combine. All right, on the Express account, I am going to. I want NQ. NQ could do whatever it wants, but I would like for NQ to still push high, form a bottom here, push high, and then break low, and do that. That's what I would like to see. Even if it creates a new higher high here, I would want this to be the next higher low. Wait, higher high, lower high. I would want this to be the next lower high, if possible. And if it does, then we will wait for it to break here for the higher low. I mean, golly, the higher high, higher low. Yeah, higher low. Even if it makes a new higher high, we would want to see it break this higher low, and then we would enter in whatever supply zone that forms here, if there is one. Make sense, everybody? Make sense? Okay, cool. It might not do that. It might literally just start dumping from here and break the trend line, and then I'm going to feel FOMO. So that might happen. Yo, Dylan, you in, bro? Are you in this already? Remember, once it breaks that trend line, it has to pull back to the trend line to continue to sell off. I agree, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't even retest the trend line before it drops. You know what I mean? If it does, there's a good chance that it does. But sometimes it doesn't, bro. I've seen it where it just breaks a trend line and just keeps going. It's like, what? Dang. you left me behind, bro. So yeah. I like this 5-minute candle closure. You guys are watching me trade gold. I keep getting stopped out on gold, but I'm going to try it again. Just a combine. It's just a combine. I'm okay losing the $97. Please, don't be mad at me. This is not what you should do for trading, guys. This is not how you should trade on a funded live money, like your own money, your own funds. This is not how you should trade. Okay? This is very much so gambling, not much confluence. I mean, at this point, we've got triple bottom on the 1 minute, right? But now I got to make 2,500 to be at 1,500. I keep shooting to make 1,500 because that's the max you can make in a day on TopStep. And if I blow it, I'm totally fine blowing it because it's just a combine. Okay, so NQ did do the thing. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Now, this is the new active higher high, lower high. So this is the new lower high. And I'm going to try being as clear and concise as possible. So, and disclaimer, if the setup occurs before our eyes, it can still be a losing trade. Does that make sense, guys? Because that used to mess me up so much. Like, I would wait, okay, this confluence is right. It's in here. It's in my area of interest. It's hitting this area, 13 MAs, this here. Everything would be perfect, and I would still lose, or I would lose, and I'd be like, wait, something's wrong. You know, I'm going to go do this. I'm going to try this. Maybe I need to change that. When in reality, the setup works only a certain percentage of the time. So what I've learned is a lot of traders end up trying to learn setups and different things. They hear from this trader, they hear this trader talk about a setup, they learn about this indicator and whatnot. And when the setup doesn't work every single time, they think there's something wrong with the setup when really it's probabilities. We're not going to be right all the time. So here you go. Break a structure on gold. Let's take a look at gold, MGC. Currently not yet. Not yet. This is still a bottom. There isn't a higher high yet. So currently we're just forming a bottom, right? We still need to wait for this to be broken. But there isn't on the 5 minute at least, there isn't a break of the last lower high. Too many people not understanding our probabilities. 100%. That's the truth. It's all probabilities, literally. So take that all with a grain of salt, everybody. So right now, Fred, if this 5 minute candle closes here, right? Now we've got a high. It might pull back. Now we're going to look for this break of structure. If it breaks this, then we look for a pullback to go long. That's an A+ setup. Right now, I'm getting in aggressive. I'm getting in very like, there isn't a break of structure, which makes it super, sorry, I got a text message. Now we're getting in super aggressive in an area without this added confluence, so it's very risky. As you can see, you get stopped out how many times. But on NQ, don't look at gold too much, Fred. It's not as clear as it looks. It's actually not a great example. But if we look at just this NQ setup here, right? We got a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. Now we just formed another higher high, and we're waiting for price to break this lower high. It's very clear. Boom, 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 boom. Drop, break this, and then we short. Okay. If you look at gold, gold's a little bit. It's not as clean as it looks. Yet. So right now on gold, it's very like wide range. So we got a higher high, lower high, lower low. We still haven't created the next lower high point. Makes sense? So it's a very risky setup. I don't even think we're going to get to where I'm looking to take profit. I think that this 5 minute supply is a good area to short. There, but for the sake of a combine, trying to make 2,500 bucks. There you go. Someone keep an eye on the combine for me, because I'm going back and forth. Hold on. Let me set an alert at this 5 minute supply. Boom. If I get stopped out, I blow this combine. But again, it is just a combine. So NQ is much cleaner on the 5 minute right now to watch. Easier to see shorts. Yes, I agree. I do agree. And then actually over time now I've gone a little bit better to see longs. But this is a very nice clean trend. So essentially right now there are people looking to go long here in this 5 minute demand. Okay. There are people looking to go long right here. They've got orders. They're looking to go long. You know, they're following the trend as they should. You know, The trend is your friend till it's not, right? So they're following the trend as it sits, and they're waiting to go long here. We're hoping for this supplies or this demand zone to fail. We're hoping for price to break below here and then short in this area. So if it does break, then this would become a supply zone. And then we would short up here. But we would need a candle closure below this. Cool. Negative 900. Yeah, bro, it's just a combine. I keep saying it. It's just a combine, bro. Appreciate you guys getting us to 12 likes. Let's go. 13. Let's go. Thank you so much. Maybe we do a funded giveaway. 25 likes. Nah, that's too easy, bro. 30 likes. 25K funded hero giveaway. 25 likes. Sorry, 30 likes. Okay, so NQ is looking good. We need to see this area break. Now, you know, if you want to be gambler, shorting here, not financial advice, shorting here would be a nice little gamble setup here. You know, boom. Take it short. It might bounce here and get you stopped out. I used to be that guy, like, oh, I'm going to take it short. I'm going to take it short. Now I want to wait for this to break for sure. Boom. Once we see this break, then this supply zone is live. But until then, we're doing nothing. We're sitting on our hands and we're just chilling. Man, he already put the freaking hashtag God candle. How do you know I'm going to use hashtag God candle? Maybe I won't. You don't know. Okay. I can Daniel. I will appreciate the funded account, sir. Yeah, let's once we get the likes to 30, we'll start putting in the comments and try to do the giveaway. But I haven't looked at our poll. Let's take a look at our poll. Do the markets pump today? 53% of you say yes, pumpy pump. 34% of you say no, dumpy dump. And 13% say sideways, bro. Yeah, so we got a lot of bulls in the markets right now, which is cool. Get a little bit of the sentiment, the feeling of what people think is going to happen. And a large majority think we're going to pull. We're going to pump. Okay, so it's starting to do its thing. The difference is or the thing I'm trying to understand is, do I trade all the express accounts the same way and trade them all the same setup, or do I start to take some of these express accounts in different ways? Like, do I have one as a quick scalp setup, or do I have ones where it's a long swing setup for the day? I don't know. So I'm trying to figure that out currently. I'm gonna put an alert here at the high or low, lower high on NQ. Okay, so now gold has BOS. Gold doesn't have BOS yet. No. That's just the bottom. Gold is just a lower low, or gold is just the bottom. I know, I see what you're saying, but not yet. We're just doing this. It's just a big bottom. See what I'm saying? So there's no BOS yet. So if I were to short, it'd be a night like a risky short. This would be a good area for a risky short. So let's get your grandma cat Greetings, boss. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, family? Hope you are doing good. Jen, what's up, bro? Shakalicious. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. So let's get our grandma, cat, dog, pet fish, and your kids to smash that like button and stand a chance to change your life. Hey, that's the truth. That's the truth. These accounts can change your life, like for real, for real. No joke. All right, so hold on. Let me go back to MNQ because this setup is starting to form. Okay, market is about to open. That's also the problem. Oh, man, market's about to open, bruh. I confused myself. No, you're good. You're good, bro. I was doing the same thing, man. Like it's far as like trying to find the patterns. The 5 minute sometimes isn't clear. You know, like this, look at this mumbo jumbo. Like this is, if you look at it each time, it gets confusing. At some point, you start to count all the 5 minutes as a pattern like this, right? Instead of chopping it every single time. So, and that also accounts with volume. So, how many likes, sir? I'm tapping. Oh, it's only 1 like per person that actually works. So we're at 15 now. We're at 15. I appreciate you though. You can keep smashing that like button. It means a lot to me. Helps the algorithm gods get more people to us. But all right, market's about to open. I'm gonna take this setup on NQ. If by market open we already broke the structure, I'm going to look to enter in here in this 5 minute supply. But we have to break this level. We have to break this level. So to make it easier, what I'm going to do is add a line here. Sounds like somebody's name. Adeline. I'm going to add a line. Hey, Adeline, how are you doing today? That sounds like a name. Adeline. Adeline. What's up, Adeline? So this blue line, let me change the color because there's another blue line. Yellow. Come on, Shaq. You got to think better than that. Why are you going to put a yellow line on the screen for these guys? I can't even see the yellow line, bruh. Orange. Orange. There you go. Orange. For us to trigger short up here, we need to see a 5 minute candle closure below this blue line. So blue. Orange. Orange. We have to see it. Okay. Now, if it does break below this blue line, there is a good chance that it just keeps going lower. It might just keep dumping and never get to our supply. And then we would need to look for a re-entry area. Make sense? I'm asking if you guys are like here in person. So there is a good chance that it does break below and it just keeps going lower and lower. You know what I mean? So that's just the way it is. So right now it's hitting that demand like we talked about, where I said people would be looking to go long in this demand. Right? There's a chance that people are going to look to go long here. And people are. They're trying to go long. There's orders. The market's just made up of buyers and sellers. And right now there's a lot more buyers happening at this current moment than sellers. And there were buyers waiting for this area to go long. So now that's what's happening. So that's why we wait for the setup to occur. You know, there was once a band called Codaline. Codaline? No, I've never heard of that. I have to look that up. It sounds sick. Codaline. Adeline and Codaline. Very, very nice. I like what's happening here. If it might break below here, the setup can still occur. So now the new, hold on, got to go to the, see, I'm going to close this out. I saw this 5-minute candle and it was super weak on my other trading view screen, and I decided to close it out. So we're up $322. Let's go on the combine. 320. We're down 900. Now we're up 322. I didn't feel good about this wick here, so I close it out. We'll revisit this combine at a later date or a later time. I want to focus on MPC. No, I want to focus on M and Q. Look them up. They're pretty good. They even perform with Ed Sheeran. Oh, okay. I'm gonna down and look this up later. Actually, I'm gonna go on my Apple Music and I'm gonna add a song because I have to drive today up north. Oda Line. Let me listen to their most recent. Bro, that's actually my vibe. I'm gonna have to show my wife. We like, I just added it to my library. Shout out to you, Papa Bear. I have some good music to listen to as I drive up north. So, yeah. We're just chilling. Oh, yeah, so this is the new higher low right here, guys. This is the new higher low. Now, the people who went long here, congratulations to them. They're winning. Excuse me. But this area now, right over here, right here, is the new higher low that we want to wait for a break. Now, supply zone above us, there isn't any clear 1 hour supply zones above us now. So what I'm expecting is I should have stayed in the gold. You got in gold long? Oh, dang. It's ripping higher. It's all good. It's all good. It happens. We're up $300 on the combine. You know what I mean? But it's just a combine. You got to treat it just like that. All right, I would rather look at, I just like NQ right now because this is a sign of weakness. You know, whenever I'll try to draw it out the same way. So this is kind of what's happening right now, right? On NQ. What would be very, it's showing signs of weakness. Something like this is pretty crazy to see, like try to see, but sometimes it'll do something like this. But since market open is about around the corner, what I would like to wait for is we might rip higher and start to sell off. If we do, I'm still going to wait for this higher low to be broken. 1000%. Oh, dang. Gold would have hit the 2500, would have hit the 1500 for the day. But, you know, it is what it is. I just wanted to close it because I saw that 5 minute weak candle and move on. $30 likes. 30 likes and we're at 15, guys. We're almost there. Coffee's extra good today, but it's kind of cold. No, our gold longs would have played out nicely. It's in this 5-minute supply zone currently, so potentially I think that we could go short here. And for the sake of it being a combine, what do you guys think? Combine? Yeah, I think so. Combine. If it has a break of surge, do you enter when it breaks or wait for it to retest? Wait for it to retest. So if it breaks, if at market open it breaks below this here, we would wait for it to return up to some sort of 5-minute supply if it does. And look, dude, we might be waiting for shorts on NQ right now, and it might not happen. It might not happen, and we might just keep pushing higher because we're pushing all-time highs somewhere here. Yeah, we're at all-time highs yet again. Oh no, we're not. We're not. So we might break these last highs, and we might not get our shorts that we're looking for. You know, so we could be sitting here all day and not get anything. Sorry, I was getting ready, saw the long continuation pattern showing in my zone. Nice. No flex zone. Yeah, this we called out longs, if you know, longs for people here in this demand. So it did. So we're just chilling. We're just waiting. That's the name of this game, is just to wait.
Order filled.
All right, on gold, we are taking a stab short here. Could be wrong, but it's just a combine, everybody. Market opens in 30 seconds. Take my vitamins. I've been trying to make it a habit to do it. All right, markets opened. All right, we're going to get stopped out on the combine.
Order filled.
All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. We got to stay sharp, pay attention, manage your risk. Remember to live to fight another day. Let's be patient and wait for the opportunity. Now, this line, we have to wait for a 5-minute candle to close below this orange line. Okay, if we don't get the orange candle to close below this orange line, we have no trade. He said, dang, look at that. Thanks for the info. No problem, bro. No problem. That's what we're here for. We're a team. All right? We're the dream team. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute on here with you guys, but my 5-minute chart's pulled up on TradingView, okay? So don't get fooled by what you see on here currently. GLP, what does that mean again? Grow, learn, profit? Is that right? Grow, learn, profit? We have 2 minutes left on the 5-minute candle. We need to see it close below this orange line for us to be triggered in shorts. Taking a peek at gold. All right, gold went higher. Nice. Good for you, gold. Good for you. I'm a little bitter. Could have just got the $1,500 from the combine. Good for you. All right, last minute here. Last minute. Yeah, grow, learn, profit. Okay, thank you. All right. Grow, learn, profit. Dylan said that in the Discord yesterday, and now it's going to be a thing. It's like LPP, learn, plan, profit. Ricky Gutierrez. Oh, man. Okay, is it me or is TradingView a few seconds faster than freaking MNQ, bro? Hold on, I'm going to test this theory. It is. Holy cow. TopStep is lagging behind TradingView for me. What in the what? That is crazy. I'll have like a second or half a second delay. 42 seconds left. 42 seconds left, everybody, on the 5-minute candle. Yo, this is a hack. Shh. Don't tell anybody. But I have like a half a second delay on TradingView. Or even a second, I think. One. Yo, it's for real. It's crazy. I'm seeing it happen in the future. 13 seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it is triggered to go short here, so I'm going to put my limit orders here. Again, we might not even get filled, everybody. But we are live to go short in this area. Now, will it get up there? I don't know. can't promise you that. Like I said, this thing can just continue dumping, and we could have waited all this time for nothing. I mean, listen, bro. The lag is real. Watch this. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, it goes down. It's crazy, though. I really can see what's going to happen next. All right, see this candle? It's going to bump up. Okay, wait for it. I'm going to tell you what happens next. It's holding. It's holding. All right, it's about to pop. It's about to pop. It's a pop, 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 pop. And now it pops. I can tell the future. Okay, I'll tell you what happens next. All right, this candle turns red. It's going to turn red. And it's going to turn green. Boom. Now it's going to turn black. All the way. Boom. I can tell the future. Ah, let's go.
Order rejected.
No, no.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh,
Order filled.
I tried trading the future. It didn't work, guys. It didn't work for me. Okay, they're synced up now. Okay, yeah, they're synced up now. That was weird. Very weird. You're literally trading futures at this point. That's the truth. Oh, man. Okay, guys. Currently, nothing yet. I do feel some FOMO because I'm like, yo, if this continues to drop without us, it's going to suck. But it is definitely a part of the game, guys. Definitely a part of the game. All right, 57 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Oh no, there's still a little bit of the future telling here. Where am I from? I was born in San Francisco, lived in Tampa all my life, but if you're asking, I am Filipino. I think that's what you're asking. All right, we're live, guys. We're live. Here it is. 5 minutes about to close. If it closes above this candle, there's a good chance that it wants to pop up, and then we're going to take this short together. Oh, actually, you do whatever you want to do at your own risk. This is not financial advice. So let me make sure I say that. So there you go. Dude, trying to manage all these accounts is actually kind of sketch. Do you trade gold? Yes, I do. We took a few trades this morning on gold. No! No! Oh, don't do it dirty like this. Guys, it might not happen for us today. It might not happen for us. Yeah, it didn't come high enough, man. It didn't come high enough, so it might not happen. It might not happen. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. Tuwing kailan po? Dude, I do understand Tagalog. Is that Tagalog? Tuwing kailan po? Like when do I something, right? Tuwing. Anong sabi mo, pare? Anong sabi mo? I don't know. I don't know like a lot of Filipino, but all right. It's not looking horrible yet. I thought we were going to be left behind. It would absolutely suck if it doesn't come to our entry, but it's just, that's the game. That's the name of the game. And it could come back to our entry and guess what? Stop us out. That's the name of the game. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Yeah, I mean, what is the time you trade gold? Tuwing kailan po. I trade gold throughout the session. You know, it's not like an exact time. Sometimes I trade in Q in the morning, or sometimes I focus on gold. Right now, gold is shorts would probably look good down into the demand because it broke the high. So longs down in 4595 is what I'd be looking for. Market does exactly what it does, bro. It does whatever it wants. Exactly. Okay, guys. I'm going to put my limit sell here at the 5-minute supply. Excuse me.
Order filled.
Oh, snap. We got filled. We are in. Okay, we are in, everybody. We could have a losing trade before us. Took an aggressive entry. Oh man, it's gonna stop us out.
Order filled.
That was pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Yo, this is too much, bro. I am managing way too many accounts right now.
Order rejected. Order filled.
I messed up there. I added in too much.
Order filled.
Heart's pumping. Gotta breathe. My stop is way too tight now, but it is what it is. The next 1 minute candle, this 5 minute candle, if it closes on the 13 EMA, we're going to look pretty good. But if it doesn't, we're going to be cooked. I should have let it slide, but I added in a little too early. All right, this is the last minute candle close. We really need to sell this, have this sell off. Looking to take profit down here at this swing low if we get there. We're not in the clear yet, guys. We're not in the clear yet. Very nice, very nice. 19 seconds left on this 13 EMA, on this 5 minute candle. Come on and close on that 13 EMA. 10 seconds left. Gonna breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't get the close on the 13 EMA. I'm gonna lower my risk to $200 on here. Very nice. We're still not in the clear yet, guys. We're not in the clear yet. Breathe, bro, breathe. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. I'm good. I'm just focused. I'm focused. All right, we're gonna put ourselves in stop here. We want to see this break. All right, we're gonna try trailing the 1 minute candle. No, I'm locking out. Y'all never see me run so fast.
Order filled.
I'm trailing this 1 minute candle. We're trailing the last Express account.
Order filled.
I'm too stressed out. I'm going to trail this last one. This is it. If we get stopped out on this Express account, I'm done. I'm done. I had to close it, guys. I had to close it. I was like, yo, you know what? Screw it. I'm closing it. There's money. That's not good. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Shaq, you need to learn how to hold winners and trail. But I did not. I just wanted to close. All right, we're trailing this 1 minute candle. Let's see what happens. This is an Express account. This is the last Express account I got. I closed the other one out. Yep, I closed the other one out in profit. So this is the last one. There is a 5 minute demand here.
Order filled.
All right, GG's everybody, GG's. I'm stopping out of this all day. All day. Combine's still open. All right, guys, W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Good job, everybody. W's. Let's freaking go, guys. What a dub, man. That was, my heart was racing on that one. I really needed to calm down. Fred, you were telling me to calm down. I know you were right. I had it. I was good. I was focused. Another win for the day. We took $1,000 on 2 Express accounts. Super happy with today. I added into the winning trade, and GG's everybody. Good job. Good job. Let's freaking go, man. I'm pumped. I was stressed as heck on that trade, bro. Woo. Stressed. Did you guys see how close we got to stop out? Did you guys see? Could you guys see how close we got? Just mind blown, bro. We were so close to getting stopped out. I think I did get stopped out on one of the accounts, and I just added, I got back in because I saw the 1 minute candle reject. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Oh man, I happy. This is how we're ending the, or actually 1 2 3 4. I need 2 more days above $150 to get a payout, but I'm not gonna push it. Guys, I'm actually a loss for it. I'm too stressed. That was too much for me. Managing all these accounts is too stressful. I can't do it. I have to just focus on one set, and then I need to find a second setup to trade with the other accounts. because I'm like lightheaded. I know I wasn't breathing, but I was good. I was good. Five more likes and we're going to do this giveaway because I got to be on the road by 8:30. 5 more likes and we get 5 more and I got you a 25K eval with Funded Hero. Can we just do 5 more? We just need 5 more. 5 more, bro. Told you that how you start the week is how you end the week. How it start on, bro. We're not done yet, Itchin. We still got tomorrow, bro. Oh man, you're guaranteed to finish on a green. No, don't say that, Itchin. Don't say that. Tomorrow's. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, so I end the week green now. I'm too stressed now after you said that. Come on, guys. 3 more. 3 more. Come on, can we do it? You gotta pull it up. You gotta use your other accounts. Fred, I know you got a few more. We just got to get to 25. 2 more, guys. 2 more left. 2 more.
Order filled.
Two more. Come on, bro. 2 more. 2 more. Once I start the other journal account. No, Fred, I wasn't saying for you to share it. I was just saying I know you have other YouTube accounts maybe to like it, like the stream with. Don't, bro, please don't. I am not trying to leverage your freaking following, bro. Not at all. That's not my style. I was just saying use your other account to like it because we only need 2 more. You know what I mean? Hopefully that makes sense. You know what? You want to share that? Okay. Fair enough. You want to? I'm good with that. Okay, cool. Because I don't want you to think that. Nah, bro, I would never. Appreciate that, though. Appreciate that you do. But, yeah. I'm good with what I'm doing now. I'm not looking to blow this thing up to 100,000 followers. Like, I'm just chilling, you know, and enjoying myself. We're having a good time, making money, you know what I mean?
Order filled. Order filled.
I did not mean to market order, but I
Order
did.
filled.
I'm just trading the combine, guys. This is not like legit good trading. This is just trading a combine.
Order filled.
No.
Order filled.
No. No. Just got 2 more. You're still holding in Q, bro? Nice, dude. Just trying to hold here. I'm just trying to get the $1,500 for the day on the combine. You want to hit your 3-1? I used to look at RR that way, bro, but I just take the next swing point low. Obviously, if I'm risking 300, I at least want to make 6. You know what I mean?
Order filled.
I try not to overcomplicate it. All right, we hit it, guys. We hit the likes. Go ahead and comment. Hashtag GodCandle. Everybody comment. Hashtag GodCandle. Hashtag GodCandle. Everybody comment. Hashtag GodCandle. We hit our likes. Thank you for the likes, everybody. Go ahead and comment. Hashtag GodCandle if you want to enter in for the 25K eval. No. No.
Order filled.
Got cooked on that. He said shackle. God candle. Oh, man. Hashtag GLP. No. You guys are like, what is Shaq doing? This is how I trade evals. All right, let me just focus on you guys. 25K. Funded hero. Hashtag God candle. Everybody put the hashtag God candle in. I don't want to trade all day. There she goes again, there she goes again. All right, let's choose it. Let's choose the winner. I'm just going to do it real quick. There she goes again. Dancing through my veins. And I can't say the way. And she's the way. Ba 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 ba. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes again. There she goes again. Dancing through my veins. And I can't change the way. Alright, can we just a few more? Everybody got theirs in? I'm at hashtag God Candle for 25k eval. Filipino candle. Stop. Oh man. What if we traded like this? Hit gen. All right, here we go. Let's do it. I gotta get going by 8:30. I have to literally be on the road by 8:30. Ready? No comments. Oh, sorry. Messed that up. I messed it up. I have to put hashtag God Candle 25k. It's for the team. They need to see that it is that. Boom. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Dylan Jane. Wait. How did it say GLP? Sorry, Dylan. Don't be mad at me, bro. It's supposed to say God Candle. Sorry, Dylan. Dylan, don't be mad at me. Dylan, you're a part of the community, so I can't. You know, you're not gonna be mad at me. I know it. I know you're not gonna be mad at me. You're not gonna be mad at me. I know. My bad. It was supposed to say God Candle. It's supposed to say God Candle. Hashtag God Candle 25k funded hero eval. One winner. Exclude duplicates. I forgot to do this. Filter by hashtag. God Candle. Confirm. Okay, here we go. My bad, Dylan. So sorry, Dylan. Jameson, what's up, bro? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wolf. Let's go. Congratulations, Wolf. Congrats on the 25k euro. Wolf, happy for you, man. It's been so awesome, huh? I know. I'm just being fair. Hey, my community's small. I'm giving everybody a chance. Dylan, I see you texting me. You did put hashtag God Candle, but it chose your GLP comment. Dylan, you didn't say hashtag God Candle. I'm sorry, Dylan. I'm sorry. I had to be fair to everybody. It said GLP, Dylan. You're listening to me. I'm sorry, Dylan. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me, Dylan. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. It is the first FX account. It is a first FX account, so we did redo it. Dylan's texting me right now. It was supposed to say Hashtag God candle. Man, okay, fine, guys. I'm gonna do a 50K. We're gonna do the. Will can take the 50K. Okay. We're gonna do another one for the 50K. We're gonna do another one for the 50K TX3 funded. Okay, okay, everybody. Okay. Everybody, comment hashtag God candle one more time. Hurry, 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 hurry. Everybody. Hashtag God candle 50K TX3 giveaway. Wolf, if he wins, I'll just pass. I'll move on to the next winner. All right. Hashtag God candle. Everybody got theirs in? We're going to do a 50K TX3 giveaway. 50K TX3 eval give away. Exclude duplicates. Filter by hashtag. Hashtag God candle. All right, here we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Everybody ready? Confirm. Sorry, Dylan. I'm sorry, Dylan. I love you, Dylan. Sorry, Dylan. But you might win the 50K. You know what I mean? You might win the 50K. All right, here we go. 78 total. 3, 10. I know I said 10. 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't have the noises like the other streamers do. KTORSEL, congratulations on the 50K. Everyone, congrats to on your 50K TX3 funded eval. Congratulations, congratulations. KTO3X, are you here? Let's go. You won. Let's go, bro. Join the Discord for me. I need to do this quick if you don't mind. I'm so sorry to rush you, bro. I gotta hit the road. If you can go into the Discord, you're gonna see that I posted you. Comment, message me. Wolf, there's two of us. Wolf is an admin, I'm an admin. Message one of us if you can't get to me. Join right now. Message one of us. Send me, yes, go into the Discord. Go into the Discord. You're going to see that I just posted your name. You can message me directly, DM me directly, and then I'm going to send you a number to post in this chat. Wolf, don't worry about it. I got you. I was going to say do it to Wolf, but I cannot be not on the road by 11:30 or 8:30. Cortel, you got it, brother? Or KTORSEL? I'm going to call you KT. KT, join the Discord. All right, KT, I thought you had some sort of email in there, but join the Discord for me, bro. All right, guys. Oh, Jamieson, you're late, bro. We took dubs this morning. This was this morning's trade. You said Wolf can get the 50K. No, I didn't. Stop. Well, you're in the Discord now. Okay. KT, message me directly on the Discord. Send me a DM. Yeah, please. Yeah, message me. Actually, I'll just go here. Okay, I see you. Type 100. Type 12345. No. I'm saying it out loud. KT, type this in the chat for me. The number that I just posted. All right, perfect. Confirmed. KT, I just need your first name, last name, email for the giveaway. Send that to me on Discord, and then I have to send it to the team. Will, if you can resend me your information for the 25K. Guys, I have to hop off early. I'm so sorry. KT, I got you. We're in the Discord connected. Guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.